Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, those who doesn't understand isiZulu, guys, please forgive me because I'll have to speak isiZulu on this video. There are some things, let me put it this way. I don't want to spread our dirty linen out there for izitha ukuthi zijabule. I'm sorry ukuthi even what I'm saying right now, you will not be able to understand. You know, as a family, there are some things we don't have to speak in public. So you, as a South African, whether you are black, white, Indian, colored, you have a neighbor who can translate for you. As long as you are a patriotic South African, I know you can find someone to translate for you. Okay, asilalele guys, we'll discuss it after.
Isilo kuphela esinegunya lokuba nebutho. Akekho umuntu ongayibiza ngebutho engagunyaziwe isilo engekho ngaphansi kwenkosi. Alikho ibutho nje lithathe emoyeni. Umuntu avuka athi usewubutho, usevukwa usinga, usefuna ukubhakini. Unomthebe wethu kuphela. Igama elokusilibambile ingonyama yalikhuluma esandlwane ukuthi lapha kwaZulu singabantu bokuthula. Singabantu bokubekezelelana. Singabantu ukuthi sibamukele abanye abantu.
Guys, I don't want to say ngiphoxekile ngalento eshiwo uButhelezi uthula sizwe Buthelezi la. Guys, before ngicommente kule video, I would like to apologize kubantu be-IFP. Guys, ngicela ukuxolisa in advance because I know ukuthi ngeke nize niyamukele kahle and ngiya-understand ke vele. But nje izinto ezikhulunywa ubaba uButhelezi lana azingidumazi, azingimangazi because indlela okwenzeka ngayo izinto since kuqalile ukuthi silwele izwe. Vele bebekhombisa ukuthi they are not interested in what is happening. I'm not sure about iy'nkinga zabo noPhakela uMthakathi. Sonke sazi ukuthi uPhakela uMthakathi ukhulele kwi-IFP kusukela emncane ngokwazi kwami. Ubaba wakhe naye wayengaphansi kwayo i-IFP, but izinto ezenzakalayo phakathi kwabo as abantu be-IFP angizazi futhi angizingeni. But lena yama-March ukuthi i-IFP ikhulume ngale ndlela ekhuluma ngayo manje. Lana sikhuluma ngabantu bokufika abayinkinga. Angi-understand ukuthi ubaba uthula sizwe usho ukuthini mayethi la KwaZulu Natali siyabantu bokubekezelelana, singabantu ababemukelayo abantu. I don't understand ukuthi usho ukuthini mangabe esho kanjalo. Thina lana sikhuluma ngama-illegal foreigners. Ayinkinga emphakathini wakwaZulu Natal. Ayinkinga athathela i-youth imisebenzi. Athatha imisebenzi for nombani futhi ngoba it's not only i-youth efuna ukusebenza. Sinomama abafuna ukusebenza emakhishini. Sinobaba abafuna ukuba wo-gardener. Sinomalume, sinayo yonke into. Abantu abafuna ukusebenza ema-restaurant, emahhotela bala eSouth Africa. Whether umama usekhulile, vele eSouth Africa abantu abebesebenza emahhotela, emajaldini, vele bekuwabantu asebekhulile, omalume, obhuti besebenze ey'ngadini. If yena ezositshela ukuthi la KwaZulu Natal siyabantu bokubekezelelana futhi esibamukelayo abanye abantu, kusho ukuthi asiwayeke ama-illegal foreign lawa okuyiwona esilwa nawo. Lawa uPhakela uMthakathi ayinikele ukuthi alwele iprovince yakhe, alwele iSouth Africa yonke. Elwela abantu base-South Africa ukuthi bekwazi ukuthola imisebenzi, iy'ngane zikwazi ukuthola iy'khala ey'koleni, abantu beyeke ukuma olayini usuku lonke eklinikhi, ey'bhedlela ngenxa yabantu bokufika aba-illegal e-country. Uthi yena asibekezelele labo bantu sibamukele. Yilokho ngempela azama ukusho kuthina. Hayibo guys,
Asikaze sithi silo ayihlome. Ngakho-ke abantu besilo abasemahostela abangaluthwa abantu abangosomathuba abazofuna ukuhlomisa ipi yesilo umnikazi wento engashongo. Ngakho kuba khona kweso lesilo uzogcizelela lokho ukuthi lapha embusweni wakwaZulu kune-order yakhona. Awuvele nje uvuke ekuseni bese uvukwa amadla ingozi bese uthi kukhona into ozoyenza ungajutshiwe ungathuniwe.
Yini ngempela uPhakela uMthakathi ayenzile e-wrong uma elwela izwe? Yini e-wrong if uPhakela uMthakathi eya emahostela eyoqoqa iy'nsizwa zakubo ukuthi ayibonali izwe lihamba? Nazi iy'nsizwa zangaphandle zibhizi and ziyaba-challenger. Usungathi manje leli zwe alinazo iy'nsizwa, abekho abantu besilisa. Why? Because bona ama-politicians aphila kamnandi, awathintekile, awa-affectekile. obaba balezi iy'ngane ey'kidneyishwayo, obaba balezi iy'ngane ey'gcwele ama-brothel, obaba balezi iy'ngane ey'gcwele ngaphansi kwama-bridge ey'bhengiswa iy'nsizwa zokufika, iwunga. Zonke lezi zinto ezenzakalayo ngoba bona ayiba-affect-i, sebebona ukuthi kungcono beyovimba emahhostela, beyovimba iy'nsizwa baze bagcina sebebeka lo enimbonayo la ofake ibhantshi eli-brown. Sebebeke yena ukuthi eyogada emahhostela, egade kuzo zonke iy'ndawo la kuney'nsizwa nje la ngoba uphakela umthakathi uhamba ngisho ko-Eastern Cape, uhamba ko-Free State, ko-Mpumalanga, everywhere. Sebebeke lo ofake ibhantshi e-brown ukuthi kube uyena oyovimba. Angazi bambize ngani, there's this position abambeke kuyona ukuthi uzoyovimba, uyena ozolawula, ozokhomanda abantu basemahhostela, whether phakathi e-CBD, babaleke ama-CBD, babala ama-village, babala ama-hostel, babala zonke ley'ndawo lezi vele uphakela umthakathi eye khona, eyodidiyela khona iy'nsizwa. Manje bambiza ngokuthi ufuna impi. Umuntu ohleze usuku nosuku esho ethi asilwe namuntu, angifuni kubulawe muntu, angifuni ntshontshwe izinto zabantu. Why vele i-IFP yenza into enje? Sebeveza ama-true colours vele, abantu be-GNU bonke baphila kanje. Kancane kancane bayayiveza ukuthi bawobani. As I said guys, ukuthi ngicela ukuxolisa kuse-early kubantu be-IFP. I'm not fighting with iqembu. Into engilokhuzayo la, into engizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi sihlukumezeke sonke nani guys eningabalandeli be-IFP. So asilwi namaqembu. Into le ehleze siyisho ukuthi asingavumi ama-politicians asisanganise amakhanda. Asikwazi ukudidiswa abantu abayihlalele kahle ey'ndaweni ey'phezulu, iy'ngane zabo ey'phila kamnandi, ey'ngekho ngaphansi kwama-bridge, ezabo iy'ngane asikaze sizwe kuthiwa y'kidneshiwe, asikaze sizwe kuthiwa bona bahlukunyezwa ukuthi iy'ngane zabo y'thengwe ophoyizeni ema-tuckshop. Zonke lezi zinto zibhekene nathi. Ukuthi we-ANC, we-IFP, we-EFF, nawe u-affectekile. Guys, ngicela ningizwe kahle, angifuni ukuthi kube sengathi ngisho ukuthi angibhekene nendaba yeqembu. Into engikhalisayo ilo msebenzi onzima thina esithi siyawenza, ukuklina i-country, ukuthi bese kuzoqhamuka abantu esibathemba ukuthi bazosilekelela and thina silekelela bona kahle kahle. Yibona okufanele ngabe benza lo msebenzi engabe kade bawenza 30 years ago. Azange bawenze, uyabehlula sithi okay, noma singazuholelwa sizowenza thina lo msebenzi. Bese kuzoqhamuka, cause njengamanje lo muntu kumele ukuthi sitshele ukuthi ubaba umnumzane, isakhamuzi saKwaZulu Natal, esibonayo ukuthi kwenzakalani KwaZulu Natal, esibonayo ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Bese ezokhuluma kanje umuntu ngomuntu oyinikele wadela impilo yakhe ukuthi uzolwela izwe. Bekhona bona kufanele balwela lelo zwe. Bese yena ezomgxeka, ezokhuluma le ndlela akhuluma ngayo. Kusho ukuthi njengamanje abantu bokufika vele sibanika igunya KwaZulu Natal ukuthi akekho umuntu ozobathinta, thina siyabemukela, asinankinga nabo. Siyabantu thina KwaZulu Natal esikwazi ukubekezela. Singabekezelela iy'ngane ey'nikwe i-powder, sibekezelele iy'ngane ey'hlele ema-brothel, ama-tuckshop esethathiwe onke KwaZulu Natal. Under upresident njalo futhi we-IFP ubaba uHlabisa, owasithembisa ukuthi ngeke amaPakistani nama-Ethiopia aqhubeke enze ama-tuckshop sikhona. Kodwa nanamhlanje akekho umuntu, akunama-inspector ahambayo eye kulawo ma-tuckshop eyobona ukuthi laba bantu bathengisa ini, baya-comply. Iy'ngane ziyafa nanamhlanje. Niwabonile ama-video guys, hhayi ukuthi ngiyabasukela. Niwabonile ama-video iy'ngane zilele ey'bhedlela, enye nje beyincwatshwa. So leyo nto leyo kufanele ukuthi sibekezelele yonke leyo nto, silalele obaba uThulasizwe bekhuluma ngale ndlela akhuluma ngayo. No guys, angeke size sikwazi, angeke nje size sikwazi.
Regarding March to March, in our belief, everything that March to March does is within the constitutional parameters. There's absolutely nothing which they do which is illegal. If anything, they are dealing with crime, which the police have failed dismally to deal with. Foreigners, illegal foreigners, have taken over some areas or some parts of our towns and cities. And they've reduced them to nothing but centers of crime. They are areas which have been surrendered by South Africans because of illegal immigrants. Because our understanding here is that March to March is not fighting against legal immigrants. They are fighting against people who have broken the law. If you are called an illegal immigrant, it means you have broken the law. Because you are here illegally in this country. You are not supposed to be here. And the state finds it difficult to trace those people when they've committed crime. Because what they do, they steal cars here and cross the borders with those cars. And it's not easy to trace them. What they do, they come here and establish drug cartels and criminal syndicates. Because if you come with good intentions here in the country, in South Africa, why do you not register with Home Affairs? What are you hiding? It means you coming here is not done in good faith.
These illegal foreigners angeke beze bevume ukuba legal ukurejistwa belegalizwe. Even these political parties abathi bona bafuna ukuba legalize angeke labantu beze beyivume leyo, because it's not like bayeke ngoba bengenamali yokuye Home Affairs beyoyiregister. Yingoba they know ukuthi they are here for criminal activities. So if wena uze ngenhloso yokuthi vele uzocommita i-crime, ungakwenza kanjani ukuthi ufuna ukuba registered? Ngoba vele usuke ezweni lakho uzocommit i-crime, uzovuma kanjani ukuba legal ukuthi urejistwe ungene kwi-system? Vele benza ngamabomu labantu laba, bathengisa i-powder, batrafika abantu, benza yonke lento, banayo yonke inhlobo yemali, but abafuni ukuyilegalize ngamabomu. Abantu abafew abazovuma i-cheap labor, that's all, ngoba nayo izobe ifunela ama-benefits.
So we sympathize with the struggle of March and March, unapologetically so. So we can't suffocate March and March for the failure of the police to enforce order during this protest.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mr. Nomvalo, siyabonga isupport baba. Njengoba ngihleze ngisho lento ukuthi akusho ukuthi uma ukhuluma kahle ngomuntu ubonga into ayenzile noma ayishilo ususho ukuthi usufuna ukuthi kuvotelwe yena, cha. Inhloso zabo asizazi, kodwa nje siyabonga ukuthi sizwe umuntu ozokhuluma into ezophikisana nale esizwisa ubuhlungu. So guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu, and once again I'm very sorry to those who does not understand isiZulu. Guys, I love you so much. Please forgive me. Love you so much. Bye.